In this video, we will go over unpacking the package received from CCTV Security Pros. First, open the box. Then within the box are a few different things: cables, cameras, and power supplies. This is the pre-made cable. The individual power adapter provided per camera. A power distribution box in case you purchase the package. We also include free security signs and a quick startup guide. This provides the wiring diagram for all the cameras that you've ordered. Then, here's the camera. Please make sure you have all these items prior to starting the installation.